Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will solve a very simple get question which is basically based on emitter bias circuit. So in this circuit, we have to find the value of base current, that is our IB, okay, this base current, and the collector voltage VC. So this voltage V naught is somehow our, okay, so we have to find VC and IB. So it is very simple numerical. So in that numerical, we have to just apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, and we have to forget about this capacitors. Okay, this coupling capacitor and bypass capacitor. There is no need because we are going for the DC analysis. So after that, we have to find the base current and collector voltage, and given term is beta, the current gain, and the base emitter voltage 0.7 volt. So in such question, we have to just apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, so first we can say this current across the resistance RB is our base current. So IB, here we can write IC, and this one, this current should be our IE across the emitter resistance, and one relationship we know IE equals to IB plus IC, and one more thing, IC can be written as beta IB, so we can write IE is nothing but simply beta plus 1 IB. So in such question, we have to just apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Before that, I also want to add this voltage VBE, that is our given 0.7 volt. So now we have to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in that section, we can say. Okay, so one kilo ohm is there, resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so we have to write this Kirchhoff's voltage equation from that side. So what we can write? We can write VCC minus IB RB, simple Kirchhoff's voltage law, minus VBE minus IE into RE equals to 0. We can write basically this one is VCC voltage, then IBRB minus IBRB minus VB minus IRE. Now we know this VCC is given 20 volts, so I am writing 20, and IB we have to find, so write it IB, and RB is 430K. So we can write 430K minus 0.7, and IE is nothing but simply beta plus 1 IB. So we can write beta plus 1 IB from here, okay, into RE, multiplication with RE. So now we can write 20 minus 0.7 is nothing but simply 19.3, and we can write this IB into 430K. We are keeping it in the right hand side, plus beta plus 1. Beta is 50, so it should be 51, and IB, okay, into RE is 1K. So we are right, IRE 1K. So now we can simply write 19.3 equals to, we take IB as a common, 430 plus 51, okay, kilo cancel, kilo we can write into 10 to power 3. Now instead of K I am writing 10 to power 3 IB, okay. Now from here we can simply find value of IB. So basically we are doing the KVL in that section. So it should be 19.3 by 430 plus 51, it should be 481 into 10 to power 3. So we can write one more zero, so 10 by, so now it should be 193 by 481 into 10 to the power minus 4. Generally, IB value we are writing in terms of microampere. So if we solve, it will come around 0.40 into 10 to the power minus 4. So it is nearly our 40 by, if we divide by, if we remove the decimal, so it will be 100, so it should be 40 microampere. So now we have the value of IB. Okay, so now we have to find the value of IC. First answer, so it should be B, because 40 is there, so 40. Okay, so now VC is also required, so IC value. Why I am writing IC? Because we have to find the VC value. So IC equals to beta IB. Beta is given 50 into IB, 40 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it should be 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 we can write. So 3, so it should be 2 milliampere. Very simple thing. So IC value is 2 milliampere. Now what we can do, IC we know. Now if IC value is known to me, then again we have to do for the VC. So VC is nothing but simply we can write this voltage 20 volt minus ICRC. I am writing here. Okay. So it should be 20 minus IC is 2 milliampere, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into RC is 2 kilo ohm. So 2 into 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 3 cancel. So it should 20 minus 4. So it should be 16 volts. So this one is a very simple question, but it came in, I think, 2005 or 2005, I think, to my question. So this one is the 16 volt. So we can say the answer will be this one. Okay, so this should be the answer. First we have to find this IB. So how we have find the value of IB? By writing the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, by writing VCC minus IBRB. Okay, this one is general, don't, no need to remember the formula, you have to go through like that. So first find the value of V, sorry, IB, then we have to find the value of IC, because we have to find the VC. So VC is nothing but simply VCC minus ICRC. So we can find the value of VC. So our answer will be B. Option will be B, 40 microampere for the base current, and VC will be the 16 volts. So this is the very simple one. Okay, so thank you for watching.